How to delete posts on Threads. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to delete posts on Threads. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It is really quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to Threads. And from in here you can see on my homepage all of the posts posted by people. So if you want to delete your post on Threads, what you need to do is to just click on this profile icon right here, which is the last button on the bottom. By the way, this hack applies on all of your devices that you have Threads into. It works on Android, iOS, and also on Threads. So from in here, you can see some posts that I have. So if you want to delete a post, what you need to do is to just click on the three dots that is beside that post. So click on that. And then you can see in here some things. On the bottom, you can see a red actual text that says delete. So just click on that right there. And you can just click on this delete right here to confirm the deletion of this post. As you can see, it's been deleting, and as you can see, this is now reply not available because we have already deleted that specific thread post. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you delete posts on Threads. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.